Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the concept of master detail relationship, that is the very important relationship under the Salesforce environment. So previously we have discussed, or we have created the lookup relationship. So if you have not seen the video, you can go to the description box. You will find the link of all the Salesforce series training videos for the beginners, so you can cover all the things, because that is the very important course for you all. So now the agenda of today, that is the how to create the Salesforce relationship between the object, that is the master detail relationship between the two object. So the concept of master detail, there are that object, how we will they will treat as a one object will be treated as a master, and second one is the child or kind of slave. So one object will be treated as a parent, and second one is the child. So go, go to the Salesforce app launcher, sales application. Now we have created two object already. So previously we have seen already the lookup relationship. Now quickly we can see the recap. This is the record under the faculty and students. So you can see here the relationship related. So we can, so this is the student relationship. So in the previous lecture we maintain the relationship, that is the lookup relation between the student and faculty. So you can see here the relationship between the student faculty. So go to the related, you will see the students. If you want to create the record, you can do from here. Otherwise you can go to the detail option. So you will find the all the things. So that is a kind of relationship. Now today agenda is the master detail relationship. So go to the setup, click on setup, then what we will do, we will go to the object manager, because without object nothing we can do that. So we record the kind of object on which we want to create the master detail relationship. So go to the objects, and then go to the object manager, click on object manager. So find the object on which you want to create the relationship. So go to the students. So this is the search. So student record. So we want to create the student as a child record, and the faculty as a master. So go to the field and relationship, because we want to maintain the relationship between the two objects. Now go to the create, go to the new. So click on new, because we are creating a new relationship between the two objects. So you can see here there are the lookup relation we have already created. Now click on the master detail relationship, because between two objects we are just creating the master detail relationship. So on which particular object we want to create the master detail. So similarly, as we have already created the lookup relationship on the faculty, so similarly we can search the faculty. We want to create the master detail relationship between the child means here student object, and faculty object. So go click on the next. Now this is the label, means relationship. So faculty master, you can give the name of the master detail relationship name. So this is this is my first relationship between object, right? So it's up to you, you want to mention, otherwise go to the next. Now go to the next, click on next. So this is the kind of relationship we maintain. Then go to the save. Cannot create. Why? You cannot create a new master data on existing custom object if records already exist. You must first create a lookup relationship, populate the lookup field with the data in all records, and then change the relationship type to master details. So we have actually we have already created. So this is the way by which we can do that. Thank you. So if you are not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel. So we have already created the master data relationship, that's why this error. But otherwise, if whenever you will create, so under in this way we can create the master data relationship between the two objects. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.